Tips and tricks on how to reduce your acid reflux symptoms. Acid reflux is a condition that affects countless individuals and causes everything from minor irritation to debilitating pain. The key to managing the condition successfully is knowledge. Read the information that follows below, and you will be prepared to deal with the symptoms of acid reflux and live the pain-free life you deserve. Slow down. When you eat more slowly, your body is able to keep up with what is being deposited in your stomach. This means that it will know that it is full when it truly is full, and you will eat less. If you overeat, you'll find your acid reflux goes crazy. To help get a good night's rest, place a wedge or some object under the mattress. This will prop up your head and allow the acid to stay in the right place. Wood, books or any other object could also be used to raise the mattress on an angle. Electronic beds which can raise the upper portion of the bed are also available too. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. It's time to quit smoking. Smoking is very aggravating to acid reflux. It slows down your digestive process, increases stomach acid, and slows down your saliva production. It weakens the sphincter of the esophagus too. That's why it must be controlled. There is no denying the potential of acid reflux to complicate the lives of those who suffer from it. However, with a bit of good information and insight, it is possible to handle the condition skillfully in a way that enables you to lead a normal life. With any luck, this video has provided you with just that. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.